So if you've ever wanted to record a voice memo on your Mac, you'll find that there's no easy app to do it with like there is on the iPhone where you can just use voice memos. But you can do it pretty easily with the QuickTime Player app, which is included. So I'm going to use Spotlight to launch QuickTime Player, and it's going to open a video to play because it's QuickTime Player. But you can also record things. You can record the screen, you can record from the camera, and you can also do a new audio recording. And note the keyboard shortcut is Control-Option-Command-N. So I'm going to use that with this open dialog still there. It's still waiting for a file. I'm just going to circumvent that and use that shortcut. And you can see I get the audio recording interface over here. I can click on the little reveal arrow there and I can choose the microphone if I have multiple ones and quality. So I can go back and forth, and probably for voice memos I didn't need to go to maximum there. And now I can click the red button here to start recording and then click it again to stop. This is a test voice memo. And naturally, of course, it'll be a little longer normally. Now this changes to a playback interface as soon as I'm done. And I can hit the play button. This is a test voice memo. And play it back just as I can on any other piece of audio I may have opened. And if I go to save, Command S will be the shortcut. I can just save it very easily as an M4A file, which is a pretty universal format and should work just about anywhere. And that's how I can do it. Now I can simplify this entire thing. I can of course add QuickTime Player to the dock or just continue to launch it in Spotlight. I can use that keyboard shortcut, Control-Option-Command-N, and then I can use the spacebar to start recording. And now I'm recording another test voice memo. Spacebar stops it. Command S saves it. I name it and I'm done. So it's fairly easy to record voice memos and it remembers the last place you saved. So if you're not using QuickTime Player for anything else, you can create a voice memos folder, and every time you do this it's going to automatically default to saving to that folder.